The biggest shift in the Web3 gaming ecosystem has just arrived. If you've been paying attention to the blockchain gaming space, you know that scalability, transaction fees, and network sustainability are the biggest hurdles. Well, Cross has just dropped a massive update to solve all of this. Welcome to Cross Mainnet 2.0, officially known as Breakpoint. And trust me, this isn't just a minor technical patch. This is a complete philosophical and structural overhaul of the entire Cross ecosystem. Today, we are doing a deep dive into what Breakpoint actually means for you as an investor, a gamer, and a creator. We will break down the new PoSA Consensus, the Halving Rewards system, the 100% base fee burn, and I will even give you a step-by-step tutorial on how to stake your Cross tokens to start earning daily passive income.
Make sure you stick around until the very end, because I'll also be revealing how you can grab a share of a massive 40,000 Cross reward pool through the exclusive Cross Wave campaign. Let's get into it. Let's talk about the engine powering this new era, the PoSA Consensus, or Proof of Staked Authority. Previously, networks focused purely on rapid growth, but Mainnet 2.0 shifts the focus entirely to long-term sustainability and network security. Cross now uses a 21 validator PoSA set to produce blocks and maintain the network. Why is this a big deal? Because Cross is a game chain. Web3 games require lightning-fast transactions, extremely low fees, and rock-solid network stability. You can't have a game lagging because the blockchain is congested. By utilizing these 21 top validators, each staking a massive 1 million Cross tokens, the network guarantees high performance. And the best part? We, as the community, get to participate by delegating our tokens to these validators. Now, let's talk about everyone's favorite topic, tokenomics and rewards. Cross Mainnet 2.0 introduces a halving reward mechanism. If you are familiar with Bitcoin's halving, the concept is similar, but here it happens every single year. Right now, the delegation APR is sitting at a highly attractive percentage, often over 130%. But here is the catch. Every year, the block rewards are cut in half. This means the rewards you can earn today in year 1 will be 50% lower in year 2, and it will keep halving. This is designed to reward early adopters heavily. As you can see on the reward estimator, if you stake 10,000 or 50,000 Cross tokens today, your projected returns for the first 12 months are incredible. But because of the daily dynamic adjustments, that APR will slowly decrease. The takeaway here? Being early isn't just an advantage, it's a necessity if you want to maximize your yield. This brings us to one of the most bullish features of Mainnet 2.0, the 100% base fee burn. Every single time a transaction occurs on the Cross network, whether someone is swapping tokens, transferring assets, or interacting with a smart contract, a transaction fee is paid. In the past, these fees might go to developers. Not anymore. With Breakpoint, 100% of those base transaction fees are sent directly to a burn address. They are destroyed forever. This turns Cross into a deflationary asset. The more active the network becomes, the more games that launch, and the more players that join, the more tokens get burned. This constantly removes tokens from the circulating supply, creating scarcity that mathematically supports the long-term value of the Cross token. So, how do you get involved? Staking your Cross is incredibly simple. Head over to the official Cross staking portal. Make sure your Web3 wallet is connected and funded with Cross tokens on the mainnet. Select a validator from the active council. Enter the amount you wish to stake. Let's say 50 Cross for this example. Click Stake and approve the transaction in your wallet. That's it. You are now earning daily block rewards. A quick heads up. If you ever want to unstake, there is a 14-day unbonding period. This is a standard security measure to keep the network stable. Currently, you can manually claim or compound your rewards to grow your stack faster. But I have some alpha for you. The developer team has officially announced that an auto-compound feature is arriving very soon. Once live, the smart contract will automatically reinvest your rewards, saving you time and gas fees. Before we wrap up, if you are a content creator or just want to earn some extra cross, you need to check out the new campaign on the Cross Wave platform. To celebrate this milestone, Cross is hosting a content campaign with a massive reward pool of 40,000 cross. The campaign runs from June 1st to July 1st, 2026. All you have to do is create a video, just like this one, explaining the pillars of Mainnet 2.0. Whether you do a deep dive into tokenomics, a staking tutorial, or a simple overview, just upload it to YouTube or TikTok. Make sure you use the required hashtags, #cross, #crossgamechain, #mainnet2, #breakpoint, and #web3 in your description. All the official links to stake your tokens and join the Wave campaign are in the description below. If you found this breakdown helpful, drop a like, hit subscribe, and let me know in the comments how many cross you are staking. Until next time, keep building and keep playing.